Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Samsung TV is updated and online. Once done, press the Home button on the remote. You want to go straight to the Apps or Samsung Hub tile. If you don't see Apps, open Settings right arrow Support right arrow Software Update, install any pending update, and then return. Make sure the TV is linked to a Samsung account. This unlocks purchases and personalized recommendations. Now that you're on the home screen, move to the Apps section to find the store interface. You should now be inside the Apps area. Type or speak the app name into the search field. Once you locate it, open the app page to check details like version, size, and permissions. This avoids surprises during install. Select Install and monitor progress in My Apps or Downloads. If an app requires purchase, follow the prompts to sign in and confirm payment. For exploration, use Categories or Featured to find alternatives and compare ratings before committing to install. Once installation finishes, launch the app from Home or My Apps and sign in to activate services. If the app won't open or install, first reboot your TV. Simple restarts clear temporary errors. If problems persist, go to Settings right arrow Apps, clear the app cache and data, then attempt reinstall. You can also log out and back into your Samsung account or reset the Smart Hub as a last resort. These actions resolve most catalog and permission issues. If none work, contact Samsung.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.